Hi, this is Thomas Tang. We're here at InfoComm 2025. What I'm showing here is our Dante product line. If you look at here, we're taking this video here from HDMI that's encoded with Dolby Atmos. Now we're decoding the Dolby Atmos into Dante audio. And up here, we're taking SDI, and we're also de-embedding the audio into Dante. And here, we're taking SDI, we're embedding the Dante audio into the SDI stream. So this demonstration here shows you 16 channels coming from Dolby Atmos, and here is 16 channels coming from SDI. And you can see here is the Dante controller. But if you wanted to see more, please come to our booth. It's 4301, or come to www.apantac.com.